Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Rahmi and my SIN 1201042131, and my supervisor Ma'am Cut Raudatul Miski MPD from Department of English Education Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teachers Training, State Islamic University Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. And here I will present my research proposal with the title The Influence of English Performance Toward Student Speaking Ability at Babu Salam Junior High School, Pekanbaru. First is the background of the problem. English language today is very important for students. As time goes on, more and more facilities are needed for increasing student speaking ability. Crystal in 2012 argued that emphasized that English today is the leading international language. Arendt in 2007 stated that the teacher creativity is needed to create an interesting class, with the use of appropriate technique or method to make students enjoy studying English. And one of the technique that teacher can use to make students get used to speak English is to promote English performance. Through English performance, students will enjoy speaking English that improves student speaking ability and improve their self-confidence. So, based on my preliminary observation, researchers find that some students in Babu Salam do not feel confident about appearing in English performance program. They still feel less confidence when speaking English in public and also fear of making mistakes. And from the issue above, researchers want to find that is the English performance can influence student speaking ability. And then next is identification of the problem. The problem that identified by researcher based on background of the problem above, that there are students which do not want to take a part in this English performance activity because lack of confidence. And for Santriwan and Santriwati, this English performance program is challenging because the students' background are still not used to appearing in public and speaking English in public. The next is limitation of the problem. So to pay attention to specific of the problem, so researchers focus on the influence of English performance or English Day towards student speaking ability in Babu Salam Junior High School, Pekanbaru. So formulation of the problem, is there any significant correlation in student speaking ability and English performance program in Babu Salam Junior High School, Pekanbaru between students who active and who do not? Next is objective of the research. So the objective of the research is to find about how the correlation between English performance and student speaking ability between students who active perform in this program and who do not. And then my significance of the research is researcher hope that this research will find out whether the English Day performance has an influence on the way students speaking ability at Babu Salam Junior High School, Pekanbaru. So next is the definition of term. In here I have three definition of term. The first is speaking ability, and English performance. And then the theoretical framework. First is speaking. The definitions of speaking is from Cheney. I took from Cheney in 1998. To the aspect of speaking, I took from Brown in 2004 and Harris in 1997. And then the types of speaking I took from Rumiati in 2013. And then speaking ability, the definitions of speaking ability I took first is Freeman in Risnaedi in 2001. And then the factor influence speaking ability, there are three factors. The first is self-confidence, motivation, and anxiety. And then the importance of speaking ability I took from Tri Dinanti in 2018. And then from English performance, the definitions of English performance I took from Siti Nia in 2017. The purpose of English performance I took a purpose from English teacher in Babu Salam Junior High School. And then my correlation between English performance and student speaking ability, I took theory from Joseph in 1991. So next is relevant research. I have 5 relevant research in this study. The first is Lai Mei Leong in 2017. Two is Ismail 2018, Wahyuni in 2014, Liani in 2015, and Muhammad Isya Ansori in 2023. And then my operational concept. So in this study I have 2 variables. The first is independent variable or variable X is students English performance participation, and then the next is or the second variable is dependent variable or the variable Y is speaking ability between students who perform and who do not. And then the next is assumption. So there are 2 assumptions. The first is students that have participation on English performance program will improve their speaking ability. And then the second is students that not interest in English performance will not improve their speaking ability. The next is hypothesis. HA, there is a correlation between student participation in English performance and their speaking ability. And the next is H0, there is no correlation between student participation in English performance and their speaking ability. Next is my research design. So in this research, I'm using quantitative research design with correlational design, and I'm using one-way research design. And then for time and location, this research was conducted on December 2023 until January 2024 at Pondok Pesantren Babu Salam Junior High School Pekanbaru. And then my subject and object. The subject of the research is students 8th grade at Babu Salam Junior High School, and then my object of the research is student speaking ability. So next is population. I took 8th grade students of Babu Salam. I took 4 class, so total of students is 96, and then my sample from each class I took 3 students which is active in English performance program, and then students who do not active in English state or English performance program. So next is technique of collecting the data. I took the first is test, and I'm using questionnaire too. So next is my technique of data analysis. There are 2 techniques I'm using in this study. The first is Pearson product moment technique, and then the second technique of data analysis I'm using product statistical formula. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.